After looking the opinions, the map is good for look and explore, maybe still TH, but it is annoying with cops following you with a lot of bulldozers and cops. The music sounds good, but it is the only song of the face repeating over and over the same with the people of the concert, because hard gives lol some areas looks good of the concert or the volts, but the rest it is boring to see all the time. Finding C4 de resume $8 tu concert de LC that not means good, that means weird and non-match food items. There are 4 masks, the people only like the big one. X the weapons are fun, but it is a garbage to kill. So sad, the rest doesn't matter at all. There are a new fire weapon, it is okay, but people say there are better weapons that the LCS one needs a fire weapon, right? Okay, there is my opinion and you it is a fan DLC for sure, but it is a garbage to pay $8 still good for really cool and bad things that means people really enjoying this DLC afraid not it is good for you, not for play, and if you pay and play it you must hate it, and maybe for that done with the family and only uno could más final review and DLC, but it is expensive money to waste for 4 or 5 melee weapons and only one cool mask for a really good DLC. I don't recommend that, only just 4 fan. Thanks for reading and have a nice day. Cara sonriente.
Cara sonriente.